हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एमसीक्यू हब। मैं हूं रघुनाथ और आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 10th इकोनॉमिक्स के फर्स्ट चैप्टर डेवलपमेंट के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द टोटल इनकम ऑफ द कंट्री डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स टोटल पॉपुलेशन इज कॉल्ड ऑप्शन ए नेशनल इनकम, ऑप्शन बी पर कैपिटा इनकम, ऑप्शन सी टोटल इनकम एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दिस, एंड द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी पर कैपिटा इनकम। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which organization publishes the Human Development Report? Option A WHO, option B UNDP, option C WTO, and option D IMF. And the answer is option B UNDP. The full form of UNDP is United Nations Development Program. Now question number 3, development of a country generally be determined by option A its per capita income, option B its literacy level, option C health status of its people, option D all of the above. And the answer is option D all of the above. Now question number 4, as per Human Development Report 2006, which neighboring country has the highest income? Option A Sri Lanka, option B India, option C Pakistan, and option D Nepal. And the answer is option A Sri Lanka. Now question number 5, we can obtain per capita income of a country by calculating option A the total income of persons, option B by dividing the national income by the total population of a country, option C the total value of all goods and services, and option D the total exports of the country. And the answer is option B by dividing the national income by the total population of a country. Now question number 6, development goals of different sections of a society can be achieved by option A force, option B democratic political process, option C violent agitation, and option D terrorism. And the answer is option B democratic political process. Now question number 7, BMI body mass index is a method of finding out which of the following? Option A infant mortality, option B economic, option C longevity, and option D health status. And the answer is option D health status. Now question number 8, a person is overweight if the body mass index is more than option A 18, option B 20, option C 25, and option D 22. And the answer is option C 25. Now question number 9, which of the following is true of the people's goals in addition to higher income? Option A equal treatment, option B freedom, option C respect and security, and option D all of this. And the answer is option D all of this. Now question number 10, Human Development Index compares countries based on which of the following levels of the people? Option A education level, option B health status, option C per capita income, and option D all of this. And the answer is option D all of this. Now question number 11, the developmental goal for a girl from a rich family is option A to get more days of work, option B to get as much freedom as her brother gets, option C to get electricity, and option D to get better wages. And the answer is option B to get as much freedom as her brother gets. Now question number 12, which one of the following is a development goal for an industrialist? Option A to get more days of work, option B to get better wages, option C to get more electricity, and option D all of the above. And the answer is option C to get more electricity. Now question number 13, Kerala has low infant mortality rate because option A it has good climatic condition, option B it has adequate infrastructure, option C it has poor net attendance ratio, and option D it has adequate provision of basic health care and educational facilities. And the answer is option D, it has adequate provision of basic health care and educational facilities. Now question number 14, how can we find out if we are properly nourished? Option A through good weight and scale, option B body mass index, option C nutrient table, and option D height and weight table. And the answer is option B through body mass index. Now question number 15, per capita income is calculated in dash for all countries. Option A pounds, option B euros, option C dollars, and option D rupees. And the answer is option C dollars. Now question number 16, which category does India come under? Option A high income countries, option B low middle income countries, option C low income countries, and option D high middle income countries. And the answer is option B low middle income countries. Now question number 17, countries with per capita income of US dollar dash or less are called low income countries. Option A $995, option B $885, option C $955, and option D $855. And the answer is option A, it is $995. Now question number 18, in World Development Reports brought out by the World Bank, which criterion is used in classifying countries? Option A total income, option B gross income, option C per capita income, and option D net income. And the answer is option C per capita income. Now question number 19, different persons could have dash notions of a country's development. Option A different as well as conflicting, option B same, option C indifferent, and option D no. And the answer is option A, it is different as well as conflicting. Now the last question, question number 20, which is the most common method of measuring economic development? Option A profit loss, option B income, option C sales, and option D import export. And the answer is option B income. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगे तो वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक करें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके इसके बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए और इस चैनल से जुड़े रहे, क्योंकि इस चैनल पे आपके ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स के ऑल चैप्टर्स के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs अपलोड किए जाएंगे। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही, तो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। सी यू अगेन।